I remember my grandfather taking me with him to retrieve a document that was in his safe deposit box. As a child, it was an impressive process, but it certainly seemed to take a long time. And it seemed to be a hassle for my grandfather too. Unfortunately, he had to repeat this process every time he needed something, but the information was too important to leave unsecure. We have truly come a long way.
Now you can use the Generational Vault.
Locked away behind an SSL certificate that uses a 2048-bit public encryption key, your information is safe and secure, but online and accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can upload wills, powers of attorney, medical directives, insurance policies, or any important legal documents. These documents are available when you need them or during important times when your family might need them.
You see, the Generational Vault is a gift to your family.
There will come a day when you can't be there to help make sense of the decisions you have made. All your important documents can be organized and available, providing a legacy of caring that will be there when you can't.
The Generational Vault can also be your view into your finances.
With a simple-to-understand summary of all your assets, as well as detailed records of all your accounts, all in one place, available whenever you need it. Not only can you view your finances right now, but you can also track your progress over time.
The Generational Vault
offers safety, security, and accessibility.
The Generational Vault,
another tool to potentially improve your financial life.